Good afternoon to everyone who wants to learn quantum mechanics. In today's video I will tell you about the best books that describe our amazing world of elementary particles. The first book is Chaos, Making a New Science paperback by James Gleick. A work of popular science in the tradition of Stephen Hawking and Carl Sagan, this 20th anniversary edition of James Gleick's groundbreaking bestseller Chaos introduces a whole new readership to chaos theory, one of the most significant waves of scientific knowledge in our time. From Edward Lorentz's discovery of the butterfly effect, to Mitchell Feigenbaum's calculation of a universal constant, to Benoit Mandelbrot's concept of fractals, which created a new geometry of nature, Gleick's engaging narrative focuses on the key figures whose genius converged to chart an innovative direction for science. In Chaos, Gleick makes the story of chaos theory not only fascinating but also accessible to beginners, and opens our eyes to a surprising new view of the universe. The second book is Quantum Physics for Beginners, From Wave Theory to Quantum Computing. Understanding how everything works by a simplified explanation of quantum physics and mechanics principles by Carl J. Pratt. In this book you will find what quantum physics is, the history and most famous experiments and achievements in quantum mechanics, wave-particle duality dilemma, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Schrödinger's equation, quantum field theory, introduction to string theory, real-world applications, quantum computing, quantum key distribution, and much more. Even if this is the first time that you are hearing these terms, don't be scared by the big words. This book makes quantum physics easy, accessible, and interesting for everyone. The third book is called Quantum Physics for Beginners, an easy guide for discovering the hidden side of reality one speck at a time. This book made introduction to quantum physics simpler and fun. I recommend this book to those who find learning about the concepts and theories intimidating. Learning from this book is much less threatening than how I recall being taught about these in my student years. In fourth place is the book Quantum Physics for Beginners in 90 Minutes Without Math, all the major ideas of quantum mechanics, from quanta to entanglement, in simple language by modern science. This book begins with the most general view of the world and gradually leads readers to new, incredible, but real facts about the very nature of our universe. Thanks for watching, enjoy reading.